Let's see what the gold has done yesterday, what has happened, and what we can expect today with the gold. We can see that on the daily time frame, the price has returned back inside this uptrend channel, and we can see that the price has reached the resistance level at 3037.30, which I have mentioned yesterday. That would be also the target, and we can see the price has reached that after the price formed this bullish breakout above the 2981.69. The price is currently at the resistance level, and we will need to watch what happens around this resistance. Now let's see to the 1 hour time frame what has happened yesterday, so we can see much more clearly what are the levels and also the support and the resistance on the smaller time frame, which also gives us a clue where the price could go. Yesterday we can see that the price has started here around this area. The price yesterday had started from here, from the price when making a bullish breakout above 3000. We can see that a pretty large round number. The price continued to rise in value. We can see that the price then had some kind of a problems here between the support and the resistance levels. Right here where this uptrend channel was making a small resistance, it was some confluence between the buyers and the sellers, and then price continued to rise in value, and we can see the price drop down, trying to move down, but it has bouncing from the small support here. Then the price reached this area here, which is a resistance 3018.76, and for a while the price stopped and then formed a strong bullish candle, which has been made a bullish breakout. This bullish breakout, when it has happened, it was targeting the level here, 3037.30, and this bullish breakout has been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders. They have received information that this is bullish breakout, and the target was here, which has been reached. So it was a successful one trade yesterday for the gold inside the premium analysis. If you would like to receive these updates, feel free to check the premium analysis. After that, we can see the price stalled for a while. After making a bullish breakout again here, reaching the target, the price returned back down, a small support 3026.97, and then the price was dropping up and down between these two price levels. And we can see where the price is currently. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see that I didn't put any of the support and the resistance levels between these two levels, and we can see what has happened in the last 4 hours. The price cannot make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and it has formed several candles very close to this area of supply zone, which is a resistance level that is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. Now if I go slightly down and go to the 1 hour time frame, we will see how this looks. For now, as it looks, we can see that the next level after the price makes a bullish breakout to above 3037.30 will be 3062.77. But this area is pretty wide, so there is probably some kind of an area here in between. So let's check which one is that. For that, I always use Fibonacci expansion levels to see where the price could go. And the way how I'm making that is here. Putting first of all where is the high and low between these two prices. Let's put this one here and let's put this one here, and then let's see where the level is. It is around 3062.77. so we need to also to find the level in between. The next one which I will put also is this one here. So this one area here around 3047.15 is also the next resistance that could also prevent the price from reaching higher price levels. And I will put this one here and also this one here, so we'll see much more closely what are the levels. So this one here is very close to 3047.15, so I will put also an area which will be a supply zone around this resistance level. So this is an area where I'm expecting that the price could reach on the 1 hour time frame as the next one. So I will just modify this one area. So we'll have this one put here, okay, and the next one above that will be, we can see that it is around here, a small one, which is a very close where the price currently is, 3040.48. So in this case, I have also this one here, 3037.30, so this one 3040.48 I will not put because it's very close to this one, so I will leave only this one here, 3047.15. so it will be the next target if the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. I will remove this one, delete, and this is the way how I also making the next levels to see where the price could reach for the next target. I will remove this one also. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame that is showing where is the next target. So for now, what I can see, I'm expecting that the price could make a bullish breakout because of this bullish pressure, and it is also already attempting first time, for the second time, several times, for the third time, will make a bullish breakout, and this will be on a 1 hour time frame. So if the price makes a bullish breakout about this area of resistance, the target will be here, 3047.15. But when this makes, I will also inform the traders inside the premium analysis. But remember, the price can also bounce from this area of resistance going down and then making a bearish breakout going further down, going to 3018.76. Why is that? Because if you go to the daily time frame, the price is currently on the daily resistance level. Okay, I need to modify this one to show only on a 1 hour time frame. We can see that, but also the daily time frame shows me that if the price goes above 3037.30, make a bullish breakout, 3062.77 will be the next target. Will it happen? Well, 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame are the next levels that will point to me when this bullish or bearish breakout happens, and also where is the target. So we can see for now the price is trying to make a bullish breakout. Also on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that for the last 4 hours the price cannot make a bullish breakout, so it's very hard for the price to make this bullish breakout above the resistance. So I will pay closely on the 1 hour time frame what happens and inform the traders inside the premium analysis. Now for the daily time frame, we can see that the price is still in the bullish mode. There is no sign of weakness that the price could return back down, so it is also inside the bullish trend. And let me modify this one also to extend here a little bit more. Okay, here it is, just to see where is the confluence of resistance. It will be around this area here. So this is the target for the price on the daily time frame if the price makes bullish breakout. So for now, for today, I'm waiting outside of the market, waiting for the bullish breakout or bearish breakout on the lower time frame to see where the price could go. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout today and target this one? I cannot say that. I will follow the market and inform the traders about that. But for now, everything looks bullish, so I'm more inclined to see the price even going further up than it is going further down. If you have any also idea where the price could go today, will it make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, or it will retrace down, or it will move sideways between the area here, which I have shown on a 1 hour time frame, feel free to leave a comment below in the description, below in the comments, so we can discuss also what is your idea and also where the price could go today and also tomorrow. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.